right, welcome to Petersburg Family Chiropractic. This is our reception area. Some nice comfy seats. Got some educational material, other community material here. We got our testimonial wall, which we're always filling up, which we love. So when you come in, you sign up. We got the lovely Miss Jamie back there. You sign in. If you're new, a couple of sheets of paperwork. And if you're lucky, maybe you come on a day where there's watermelon. Then we'll bring you back. You come back to here. Jamie will show you around, but this is the checkout area. Say hi to Jamie again. So this is the checkout area. This is at the end. But this is our main adjusting area. Big wide open room. So we got a table here with lots of toys, a chalkboard, and then train table. So we see a lot of kids, a lot of families. So we love this area. Another table here. So kids can be getting adjusted while the parents are hanging out, and then while the parents are getting adjusted, the kids can be playing. So very family friendly, nice open environment. This is another chalkboard here where I do some health talks. And then back here, we just have a little special table back here. This is our table we call the up-down table. So this is really good for people that are just in a lot of pain, maybe in their low back, and they can't get up and down on the table very well, or especially for pregnant people, because that center section pops out right for the tummy. So great little private room, private table, just for that. And then we just got a couple bathrooms down there and offices. Other than that, this is a tour of our clinic, and we look forward to seeing you and meeting you. Thank you.